Hi there. One of the interesting facts of medicinal system is water has capability of storing energy. So water, if it's mixed with herbs, it stores an energy. It stores something. It's storing some magical substance. So that heals you. In other words, water is storing some vibration, or it's storing some thoughts. So energy has a vibration and each vibration is a thought. So stagnant water is having some energy, while running water doesn't store energy. So this is a biggest science. So this is applied in medicinal system, and we are not able to go to the forest or garden to get the herbs readily. And one more thing is that your body cannot process, assimilate the herbs directly. So there has to be something, a link between the herbs and your body. So that thing is called the water dilution. So it's diluted, it's not given directly. You have to dilute it closer to the level of a cell. So you have a cell, blood cell, which is very tiny compared to the tissue, muscles. It's a infinite small particle. The size is very, very small. So you are diluting the medicine to that level for your body to take it, or else your body will eliminate it. So imagine a person having problem with the eyes. He's having myopia or hypermetropia. So the simplest remedy is eat more carrots, eat more greens. But all of them are eating. Only few people are recovered from this myopia. What's the reason? The reason is that all bodies cannot process that food. So only people having hope, only people having the immunity system stronger is recovered from the disease. So even if you take 100 medicines, some guy is feeling that this will not cure, it will never cure. But even simple water dose is given and the person feels satisfied, a person feels that I will get cured, he is automatically cured. So some people call it the placebo effect, but this is a science. This is like storing of energy, storing of your thoughts, and healing your patients. So always give remedies in a positive mindset. You don't need to like judge the patient. You just give the medicine with hope. Every doctor should have hope. So if they don't give medicines with hope, or if they start like I don't think this might work but you can just have it, so that's not the right method. Have hope. Even if the situation is tougher, it may not cure, just have hope and then say positive words to the patient. So that will help him to improve his immunity in the body. So immunity system is the biggest thing. It acts as the police force of the body. So once when you develop the immunity system, your life becomes happier. The happiness is in the mind of a person. It's not outside, it's not with the material things, or it's not everywhere. It's just within the mind. You have to feel this way and then things happen. So I have given a back flower remedy course in the description link. You can check it out. I have explained all those principles, how does it work, and how to find the right remedy, because a lot of people are misjudging the situation. So a medicine has to be given with care, and you cannot go beyond like 7 remedies. I prefer to choose only 3 at a time. That's more than enough. So you have to treat patients in 3 categories. This is very important. Emergency cases that need immediate action, acute cases that you can treat with not that much hurry, chronic cases You have to go with the fine details and then come to a conclusion with a strong mind. These are the three categories. So emergency cases, you can use the rescue remedy, that will be of helpful. Acute, if a person is having some disease or ailments, so for in terms of days, so this should be in terms of days. So something like cold, fever, stomach pain, or he fell down and then after a few days he is coming to you. These are all acute conditions. Chronic, more than 6 months. A person is having depression for 3 years. That's a chronic condition. A person is having a heart ailment for 4 years. That's a chronic condition. So you have to analyze people, analyze the disease, and then provide them with a proper medicine. So my course will be helpful to you. I am adding more value to it. I'm adding more courses, more video lessons to it that will be helpful, and you can use it for a lifetime. You learn it one time and then you can keep on practicing for a lifetime. It's all in the practice. So imagine if you know just 5 remedies, you can just practice it. Every week if you practice, you'll get better. So I'll meet you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.